All right, guys, here we have a 2016 Honda CR-V that was involved in the front end left side collision. And the car was experiencing a crank but no start issue. Like it would just crank, kind of like a fuel pump went out. So looking into it, there's behind the bumper, right under the left headlight, as you can see right here, there's a relay box. So when in the accident the relay box got damaged, as you can tell, the wires, I actually replaced these two relays right here. And when that happened, obviously something shorted out, and what happened was it blew out this 20 amp fuse right here, which is actually for the injectors. So if you're having the same issue, inspect the wiring on this behind this relay box, replace whatever relays are necessary, and then replace, if it's blown, this 20 amp injector fuse, and that should fix the no start issue. Hope this helps anybody having the same issue. Have a good day. Bye.